These AI fruit-to-car transformation videos are taking over YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram right now, with some getting millions of views. The best part? I created this one in less than 2 minutes using completely free AI tools. Let me show you exactly how. First, you'll need my master prompt, which you'll find linked in the description below. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Once you're there, switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, select Omni Flash as the video model, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Next, scroll down to the designated fruit and car sections inside the prompt. This is where you can customize your transformation with any fruit and any car you want. For this example, I'm transforming an orange into a Bugatti Chiron, but you can create endless combinations like an apple into a Lamborghini, a watermelon into a Tesla, a banana into a Ferrari, or any other creative pairing. Once you've customized the prompt, click Generate and let Google Flow AI do the magic. In just a few minutes, your AI fruit-to-car transformation video will be ready. Now let's watch the final result together. As you can see, you can create unlimited unique videos simply by changing the fruit in the car, making this one of the easiest viral AI niches to scale. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to Reavron for more free AI tutorials and the latest viral AI video niches. I'll see you in the next one.